So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy NVIDIA Corp, ticker symbol NVDA call options here in Canada using the Wealthsimple mobile application. So first thing you have to do is go into your Wealthsimple app and go into your account. So this can be, your non-registered account, this could be your TFSA, whatever the case is, go into your account. The next thing you have to do is go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this screen, simply you can either first off search up in the search bar at the top here, you can search up ticker symbol NVDA for NVIDIA Corp, or what you can do as well, you can go to the options tab right here, so right beside crypto at the top here, press on options, then go to where it says more. Then scroll all the way down until you come across NVIDIA Corp. So for me right here, it's actually this option right here. I'll press on NVIDIA Corp. Now, if you want to purchase call options, first thing you have to do is make sure at the top here that says NVDA will rise by. Make sure that it says rise. If it says fall for whatever reason, you can just simply tap on it. Make sure that call option is checked. If it's a put option, I'll just do this for demonstration. It'll say NVDA will fall. Also change that to a call option, and there you go. Next thing you have to do is actually change the date in which you wish this contract or this option expires. So what you can do is press on the date here, then simply type in or find the expiry date that you wish to have the option for. And the next thing you can do is you can either go in the money or out of the money. So for demonstration purposes, if you wanted to go out of the money for $420 USD, you can press on this strike price right here. You can press on buy, and there you go. That is how to purchase NVIDIA Corp call options here in Canada, ticker symbol NVDA here in Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.